Hi guys, welcome back to another QuickBooks tutorial. It's Joe with Adelie Logistics, where we discuss how you can grow and improve your rental company through digital solutions. Today's video we are going to talk about bundle items and group items. In QuickBooks Online they call them bundle items, in QuickBooks Desktop they call them group items. Either way, it's the exact same idea. It's basically a way for you to save time when putting together items that you use on a regular basis. So typically companies might use these for grouping together package deals or things like that, where they don't have to type out or enter each line item for a package that they sell on a regular basis. Today I'm going to talk about how you can actually use bundle items to help save you time when creating invoices that require delivery information. With Adelie Logistics software, we require that you set up some specific line items for the delivery address, the delivery time range, and the pickup time range, and some other pieces of information that we request for the contact and all of that. So it's really nice and easy that QuickBooks has this bundle feature to where you can group those into one item, and that way when you get to that portion of creating the invoice, you can simply just add that bundle item into the invoice one time and it populates all the items that you need. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that today. To get started, we're going to go into our invoicing section over here and we're going to select products and services. Keep in mind you can do this on QuickBooks Desktop as well. Again, they're called group items and it works almost the exact same way. But today we're in QuickBooks Online. So when we're in the products and services, we're just going to go up and click the new button up here. We're going to select bundle. Now, one thing to remember is that QuickBooks Online only offers this bundle item feature for, let me show you the different plans here, for the QuickBooks Online Plus version. So this is the version that you'll have to have either this or higher to be able to have the group items. If you have Essentials or Simple Smart, you're not going to be able to find this bundle item in your suite there. So just keep that in mind. It is required that you have the Plus version. Okay, so we're going to go back here. We're going to select bundle. And for this example, I'm just going to call this bundle item delivery. Okay, we don't need a SKU here. And really, we don't need too much of a description either. If you want to put something in there, you totally can. But after this, it's simply just a matter of adding the line items that you want to be included in this bundle. So the ones that I would suggest, if you're using our software for keeping track of inventory and all of the different routing features and contacting features and our mobile apps and everything that we use, I would recommend the following. The first is going to be the delivery fee, because you want to make sure you charge the customer for this. Okay. Then the next one down would be your delivery address. This is the address that we use for routing. And the next one will be your delivery time range. This is the time range that you're going to agree with the customer upon as far as when you're going to be delivering those items. And the next one is going to be your pickup time range. Okay. The last one that I recommend is going to be your customer contact. And this is where you're going to type in the customer's phone number or whoever the contact person of this event is going to be. You're going to put their phone number in the description of that line item. And that's it. So now you have 5 different line items all combined into one item. And when you go to add this to an invoice, all of these are going to populate right away so that you can start filling in the information for each of these in the description fields. Okay. And once you save and close that, I'll show you how it looks. I'm not going to save and close it right now because I've already created this bundle item. So let me just get out of that and let me show you how it looks when you actually go to create an invoice. So I'm going to go over here to invoices. And I'm going to hit new invoice. Okay. Enter in a customer name. And we're going to skip all of this, but you would normally fill out the email, the ship date, return date, make sure you change the invoice date to the date of the event, enter in any items that you're going to be renting, and then after you've got your items in, you will select your bundle. It's going to show up down when you start typing in delivery, and you just select that, and it populates all of these items for you. So you can see here we've got the delivery fee, the delivery address, the the customer contact, the delivery time range, and the pickup time range. So at this point, now I don't have to type in each one of those individually. I can just go ahead and just start replacing this with the information we need. Here, just a little tip that I like to give people is to kind of prompt your sales reps when they're making orders to ask for additional information. So I pre-populate the description field of this delivery fee with questions like, is this a residential or a commercial property? If it's commercial, what's the name of the business? If it's a residential, I should have in here, what's the gate code? Okay, so I would put that in my pre-populated description field. They ask what they get, and then as they receive the answers to these, they'll replace it with whatever the customer responds. Residential. We don't need the name of a business since it's residential. Your gate code. Let's say it's pound 141231. Is it indoor or outdoor, these items? Let's say they're going outdoor. And what is the setup surface? Grass, right? So now you have all of this information about the order right here in the description field, and that is going to show up in several places throughout our mobile apps and the web software as well. And that's about it, guys. That's how you properly put together a group item or bundle item for your delivery. I'm going to show you in a later video how to do the same thing for your tent items so that you can keep track of all of your tent components in your inventory tracking. It's really the only way that it makes sense in terms of how you keep track of each individual pole and J-pin and tent top and tie downs and all that stuff, because there's a lot of components that go into a tent, and those are interchangeable for different tent sizes. So it makes this group and bundle feature in QuickBooks makes it nice for you to be able to group all of those items into one item, say a 20 by 40 frame tent or whatever the case may be. And that way you can keep track of the individual components and how much you have rented out at any given time. But anyways, that's it for today's video. Questions and comments, leave them below. Give us a call, shoot us an email, contact us through our website. Hit the like and the subscribe button below if you haven't already so you can receive updates for our new videos. We release them on a daily basis. And that's it for now, guys. Happy rentals.